Hey, so I just wanted to show you guys something that I'm holding near and dear to my heart. This is my nail polish collection. And before I get any comments like why I painted one side and not the other, this nail rack was here before this wall was this color because this is actually going to be my son's nursery. So this room has changed purposes over the course of a couple of years. And honestly, I was just too lazy to take it down, paint it, let it dry, and then put it back up. Because if you can see right here, I have taken these down previously in the past, and that didn't go so well. So that's why that looks like that. So right here, I have all of my gel polishes. In fact, this whole rack right here is dedicated specifically for gel polishes. I'm really trying to get my gel game up, if you guys can see that. So right here I have my Gelish Top Coat Foundation. This is a really cool product that I want to do a review on. It's called Gelability. Essentially it takes any traditional polish like these over here and it turns it into a gel polish. The reason I don't gravitate towards it is because it's kind of time consuming, to be honest. I also have my IBD UV LED bonder for gel nails, like for hard gels. I have some gel polish. This is an actual gelish polish, and these are like those like Chinese knockoff ones. They work fair enough. My Glaze and Glow, some more gelish polishes, and some smaller knockoffs here too. As you can see, I've started using these little what do they call, like the finger swatch things. These are just for my stamping plates. Oh, it's separating. Oh no. These are just for my stamping plates. So I just keep them over here too. That way they don't get confused with my regular polishes. This is the collection that you guys saw me review. And obviously, in the weeks following that review, I ordered, what did I order? I ordered three more collections, including the Models 1. Right here, I want to say that this is called like Winter's Green or something like that. These are just some like fairly nude-ish shades. This is called Neon Fall. I have two of these colors on right now. So this is this one, and then this is this one. I'm really impressed. It bothers me when it's not straight. I'm really impressed with how neon these are. Obviously, I really appreciate the formula, and I like this brand. So essentially, my gel polish collection is just that brand. I have a few color clubs over here. I got these at a hair and nail show when I was in cosmetology school. We went to one in the city. I forgot what the heck it was called, but they had a really good deal on these. I think they were like 2 for $11. Kind of wish I would have got more. The formula is not my favorite, but they had some dope colors. Elite 99. These are not even really gel polishes. That's what they're marketed as you can see, but they're really not. And these bad boys right here, even though these are pot polishes, ooh, look at that. Even though these are pot polishes, they're not really like a polish, so to speak. I still keep them over here because I just need a place to kind of display them. Over here is less impressive, but more full. If you can see, look at that. Sorry guys, I don't know who Craig William is, but you're not calling me today. So right up here, I have all of my nudes, including some of my like sparkly-ish nudes. And then everything is color coded, which I took quite like way more time than I want to admit to do. So we have pinks. So it starts from light pink, woo, gets all the way down to like the darker, more maroon shades. Then we go into our darker purples. It gets lighter. We go into our blues. We get into our light blues. I didn't realize how many blue polishes that I actually have. I have like quite a few. Then we go into our greens, yellows. The yellows go into oranges. The oranges go into like more tangerine-y kind of colors. I wouldn't even know how to describe this one. This one though, while it's not the most, I don't know, how do I put it? It's not like the craziest shade. I got this and another polish. I got this and this one when I was in Puerto Rico. Yeah, is that where I got it from? Pretty sure that's where I got it from. When me and my boyfriend last year were on on vacation in Puerto Rico at some drugstore. I think it might have been a Rite Aid, but anyway, so that's probably one of my favorites just because it has like significant value behind it. And obviously down here, then we have blacks, grays, and then we get into like our sparkly more silvers. Side note, I really love Color Club's hollow polishes. Probably my favorite formula when it comes to hollow polishes. So that's pretty much it. I just wanted to give you guys a little glimpse over here of what's going on. Maybe one day it'll bother me enough to paint that other side, but I highly doubt it because that would mean I'd have to take all these polishes off, and I nearly lost my shit trying to organize them as it is. So thank you guys for watching this video. I'm just really proud of my little collection here, so I wanted to share it with you guys.